Just parked the car, taking a slow, leisurely walk. Gonna be facing, going down the walk to the left. Not much going on except for the rain. It was better yesterday than today. You will see the drill instructor school. That will be to my left, and to my right would be the recruiter school. Straight ahead is the parade deck, aka the grinder. Pretty much the weather, I guess, is keeping everybody off the parade deck. Yeah, that's the drill instructor school area. And then that is the recruiter school. Stepping out, that is the main flagpole. And there is one platoon on the parade deck. Looks like they just finished up drill. I don't see any other platoons on the deck. And looks like some folks are leaving for the day. So I guess I will go ahead and call it a day also. Yeah. That's it.